are good, you are kind, you are more than this.
Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening and good morning, depending where you are watching me from. Yes guys, it's your baby girl Glory's reality. Yes guys, I'm so happy today because I've gotten my ring light. Even though it's not today that I've gotten it, I'm so happy today to unbox it. Yes guys, I got my ring light. That was January in Lagos. I bought it at Alaba International Market in Lagos, and I bought 18 inches. Yes guys, I'm so happy because it has been long that I use ring light and it was not easy for me when I'm filming. Yes, because I have no positive, I will be looking for where to put my phone. Yeah guys, today I want to unbox it. And the one I was using back then in Libya, it was just 14 inches and it was still very new, but I could not take it along too much, so I just decided to leave it in Libya. That if I come to Nigeria, I will buy another one. Now I've gotten one, guys. Yeah, I'm so happy today to unbox this my ring light because it has not been easy for me when I'm filming. I'm just looking for where to put my phone, but now after unboxing it, I can be making use of it. Yeah guys, let's unbox it. This is the leg of the ring light. Yeah guys, yeah, let's unbox it. Yeah, I have my blade here that I'll be using, guys. Yes, let's open it and see what is inside. It has not been easy for me if I'm filming. I'm looking for where to put my phone. I'm so happy that unboxing it today. I will start using it. It's very, very, very big, guys. It's very big, guys. See, look at it. Let me take the hey, yeah, guys, look at it. And it have three this thing that can freeze your phone. Yes, it's three. I don't know what they call it. Have three angle. The one I was using back in Libya, it was just only one angle, but this one is 3, 1, 2, 3. And it's 18 inches, guy. I bought this ring light 21,000 naira in Lagos. When I went to Ikeja, I was looking for it, and the one I saw at Ikeja Road, they were telling me price like 35,000 naira, 30,000 naira. I told my husband, no, I'm going to Alaba International to go and get it. And I went to Alaba International. I got it 21,000 naira, guys, and it's very big. It's 18 inches, very big, and it can contain 3 phones. If you are filming, you can use 3 phones at the same time to be filming. Yeah guys, look at it. And even have bag. Yes, this is the bag that came with it. Maybe if I'm traveling, I'm going somewhere, I want to carry the ring light along. Yeah, this is the bag. The bag also is very big. Yeah. And also this is all the thing that is inside. Guys, I'm so happy now that I can make my video very well. Yeah, you have 3 angle on it that you can fix phone. Yeah, guys, it's very cheap. Look at it. Yeah, and this is the leg, guys. Look at the leg. So let's unbox the leg also. Yeah, I don't know how to set this ring light like this. We are going to set it together. The one that I was using, I don't know how to set it. We are going to set it together. The one that I was using by in Libya, it was my husband that helped me to set it. This one, I don't know. Maybe if I can do it, but let's see how it goes. Maybe if I can do it by myself. Guys, things are very cheap at Alaba International Market in Lagos. Things are very cheap there. Yes, when I saw this ring light at Ikeja, they were telling me 35,000 naira, some 32,000, 30,000. I was like, what? The one that I was using by in Libya, that was 14 inches. It was something like 8,000 naira. It's 80 dinar, and 80 dinar in Nigerian money is like 85 or 9,000 naira. The one I was using back then. So guys, this is it. I'm so happy. Wow, guys. See, let me set it up. I'll show you guys back what after setting it up. Yes, guys, let me try and set it up. It's very big. The light is very big. That is the most something I'm happy about. It's very big, as in I can't wait to be using it. Oh yes, let me fix it. I will show you guys back. Guys, look at it. I finished setting it up. Guys, it's very big. The camera cannot do justice to it. 18 inches is very, very big. And I'm on it. Guys, I'm so happy. Look at it. So if you want to change different colors, yeah. And it have remote control that I can use to control it. Yeah, guys, I'm so happy to bust my ring light today. I can turn the two, use two phones at the same time, or use three phones at the same time if I want to make video. Guys, I'm so happy. Yeah, guys, I'm so happy to bust my ring light today, and I can be making use of it now too. It'll be very easy for me if I want to make videos. Maybe I'm in the kitchen, I want to do vlog, I want to just put the phone on somewhere. Now I have my ring light now to be using. This is the remote control that came with it, and it have different colors. If you on it, you want to control it. Yeah, guys, that is what I just want to bust with you guys. Now it's my microphone that, guys, that I'm seriously in need of it. My microphone, I don't have the one that I'm using back in Libya. This is it, the one that has rope. I has rope, and it do disturb me very well. I need the wireless mic. Yeah, guys, I don't know, with the small this what is it, tripod, that three handle of the one that you can put on your purse. Maybe you are going out, you want to do vlog, you want to just put your phone. I need it seriously. I don't know, guys, I need it. And even I saw a video that Sandra Reality she made, that was some weeks ago. People want to buy ring lights, or people want to buy tripod and microphone. There's a lady that said in Abuja. I even contact the lady, and she told me the wireless mic, the two mouth, that maybe I want to use one, I want to give someone one, maybe if I'm making video with somebody. It was 14,000 naira, and I told her that I'm living at Delta State, maybe she helped me to send it, and she said yes. And the second day I asked her, she said that the two mic is only one mode that she have now. I was like, no, I want to buy the two one, that's so that I will know if I buy that two, and I will not be buying again. So since then I said that if she have that, she should let me know, but since then she have not chat me up again. So guys, I need that mic. I don't know, God will just send angel from east, west, north and south. I would say glorious reality, I want to bless you with microphone, or I want to bless you with what is it, that tripod, the one that you can just be putting in your bag if you are going out. I don't know, God. And I'm looking for it. I'm here in Agbo, in Delta State. I can't get it. Picture, I will go to Asaba. I'll go and look for it at Asaba. Yeah, guys, that is what I just want to share with you guys today, of busting my ring light. Now I can be using my ring light very well. So thank you so much for watching. Please share my video, subscribe. Baby girl, glorious reality, only one glorious reality on YouTube. Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in another video.